Hello students, so this is the book work for chapter 2 class 7 and these are the book works. I have given the answers here, and for question and answer you will have to go to school. There you will get all the answers written and printed. So these are only the book works. So the chapter 2, nutrition in animals. So here are the book works. You can write in your copy by taking screenshots also. The first is ingestion is the process of taking in of food. Paramecium is also known as slipper animalcule. Slipper animalcule. Housefly has a sponging type of mouth parts. Esophagus is a small tube that joins the mouth with the stomach. There are 4 chambers in the stomach of the ruminants. Mention true or false. In humans, the stomach is S-shaped. It is false because the stomach is J-shaped. There are 20 permanent teeth, 10 in each jaw. This is also false because there are 32 permanent teeth. A housefly has long feeding tube called proboscis. This is also false. The digested food is absorbed by the stomach. This is false. The food of ruminant is rich in cellulose. This is true. Now choose the correct answers. Which of the following animal engulfs the food by pseudopodia? So this is amoeba. Which of the following animals paralyzes the prey to capture it? It is hydra. The animals that have a special mouth part for feeding are insects. The process which is not a part of nutrition, it is respiration. The secretion produced by liver is called bile. Repeated contraction and expansion of the wall of esophagus is called peristalsis. A part of the stomach of cows where they store their half-chewed food is called rumen. The animals which digest their food in 2 steps are called ruminants. Now answer the following questions in one word. The false feet of amoeba is pseudopodia. Fine hair-like projections all over the body of paramecium is cilia. The organs where bile is stored temporarily is gallbladder. Finger-like projection on the inner wall of a small intestine is villi. Animals that chew the cud is ruminant. So these are your questions for which you will get answers in your school. You will have to visit your school and ask for the answers. These are the questions. So here the question asks answer in 1 or 2 sentences. The question also asks answer in detail, and there are some think and answer questions also. These all answers you will get in your school.